afternoon everyone, my name is Rashid and I am doing the assignment number 2 self-expressing art activity. For this assignment, children did the paper folding activity, or you can also call it art activity with paper. The educators set up the table with lots of different kinds, colors and shapes of paper, masking tape, glue stick, scissors, etc. At first children wasn't sure what they can do with the paper, but soon they started discussing among themselves what they can do and make with the paper. Although it was teacher's idea to set up the area, but she didn't tell or suggest anyone what they need to do with the paper or what they can make with the paper. Children came up with their own ideas. They made planes, boats, cars, hammer, trees, shield, swords, hats, puppets, fortune tellers. Even some of them drew pictures. After making their creation, children took out different materials such as crayons, markers, coloring pencil, googly eyes, popsicle sticks to decorate their creation. Children were busy doing their activity for the whole afternoon. So I believe it was a very successful self-expressing art activity because children came up with their own ideas. Even they came up with the story behind their creation. One of the child told the educator he made plane because he wanted to be plane engineer when he will grow up. That's why he practiced it with the paper. Another child told his friend he made a special hammer. It has laser power on it. So that's why I believe it was a very successful self-expressing art activity because children came up with their own ideas, what they made with the paper. I hope you also like my video and the writing part of my assignment. Thank you.